How to see your router history on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can see your router history on phone. Well, actually the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to scroll down the notification bar, tap and hold on your Wi-Fi icon that you're connected, and then tap on the settings along with the Wi-Fi, or just open up your Wi-Fi settings here. In my case it's here on view more. You want to scroll down and you'll be able to see your IP settings. Now what you want to do is you want to change your IP settings to static, and once you do so you'll be able to see your IP address. You want to tap and hold on that particular IP address. Now it might be the IP address or the gateway. Now once you do so, what you can do is you can copy it. Once you copy it, you can go ahead and you can head into your Chrome and you can go ahead and paste it on your Chrome. Now in my case I have turned the gateway off here, but depending on your router and depending on the kind of brand that you use, you'll be able to see a different kind of overlay there. So you can go ahead and see your history and every other settings of your router there. Now in my case I've turned off though due to the security reasons, and if you're not being able to access it, what you can do is every these have an online application, so you can go ahead and download the application for your particular Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead and check your router history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.